Hello everyone, this is Deepika and welcome back to my channel Indian Homemaking. Today's video is about a chicken curry, but it's not a regular chicken curry we have been eating. We all know that chicken is a good source of protein, but there is a lot more cholesterol in regular chicken curry because of use of too much oil and masalas. Protein is very essential for our body. Eating right amount of protein helps us maintain our muscles mass and promotes muscles growth. People who are on strength training exercises must have protein diet to prevent muscles loss. Many alternates are there in market like whey protein, soy protein, etc. But nothing can be as beneficial as natural superfoods. We all know that eating baked, grilled or boiled chicken is best for our health, but that doesn't go with our Indian diet. Because our main staple is either rice or roti, eating those variety of chicken doesn't suit our taste buds. Also, rest of the family member would not like to have same food that we cook for ourselves, and preparing different food for different people would be quite time consuming. So how can we make our chicken curry healthy, nutritious, yet tasty and appealing? Let me share you my recipe I have been following. Remember, main key for good health is moderation. So let's begin.